What's up, guys? Back again with another video. Today I am here with both the trucks because today I have to take this truck, the white truck. It has to get an inspection done. The company that it's with requires that the truck have an annual inspection done every 6 months, and also too they have a little 3-month inspection sheet that you got to fill out because they want to make sure everything's okay with the truck. So I'm gonna pick it up today, take it, get the inspection and all that type of stuff done. I may get it washed, but also too the driver claims that a oversized truck came by and knocked the mirror off, or knocked the mirror out. It just looks like I have to just, get a new motor system in here and put it in there, and I can be able to replace the mirror without having to replace this whole assembly. So I'm gonna try to get that done. That's probably gonna be the first thing that I do. Take the truck over there and get the mirror replaced, and then I have to take it and get the inspection done. But as you can see, it's still out here working. It's doing containers. I'm doing dry van, but Select Trucks of Jacksonville is where I purchased both of these trucks from, actually. And the tires are still good. Of course, you can't really blame, the driver for this, because these boxes, containers, they just, as you can see, there's no way to really stop it from hitting it, I tried even sliding the tandems back and everything like that, but that's just cosmetic stuff. The truck is in still good, so he's keeping the truck in pretty decent shape. The tires are still good, the mirror, and as you can see, we have both of them together, right? So that's what I have to get done today. I have to get this done today, because if not, if I don't get all the necessary requirements done with the inspection and all of that, they would shut the truck down until you get it done. So he wouldn't be able to work. The truck couldn't move, so I won't be making money. So that's something that I got to take care of today. So I'm about to get that done right now. So let's get it. First place, I'm about to go check on this place and see if I can get the mirror replaced. Right. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the container right here, and then we're gonna go to the place that I believe I can get the mirror from. So once we drop this trailer, we'll be able to get on our way. Check me out, guys, driving my white truck. Now, I don't think I should be doing this, right? You guys let me know, right? I know that, once you get a decent amount of trucks, or even a few other trucks, I can't stop what I'm doing to go take the truck and get inspections and stuff like that. I think it should be the job of the driver. Now, granted, he had something to do today, and tomorrow he was going to be off, so the truck was going to be down anyway. But that means I have to stop what I'm doing as well to take the truck and spend time and get the inspection and stuff done. Now, I pay my driver, we 60-40, 60 his way, 40 my way. That's the split on this truck, right? So I'm thinking though, it should be the driver's responsibility to take the truck and get the inspection and stuff done on it. Now, the inspection that's required by the company that is at, the 3-month inspection, I believe I have to come look at my truck personally, which I don't mind. I do want to put eyes on the truck, make sure everything is still good with it, view the truck myself with my own eyes and see what all cosmetic things have been done or damaged to the truck, just so I can kind of get an idea of what's going on with it. So I do like to be able to see the truck, every so often. But as far as inspection and stuff like that, being able or having to take time to go get this type of stuff done, if you got more than a few trucks, I can see how that's going to be a difficult thing to do for you to stop what you're doing to go get all the inspections done on all this equipment. So let me know what you guys think about that. But it feels good to drive this truck. It's a little weird because it's an automatic, but overall, it's cool. It looks like when it's not pulling a load, when it's bobtail, it starts off in 5th gear. And it goes to 7. this. So I'm gonna start here. She said any of these trucks is fair game to take a mirror off. And also too, I can't just take the inner part in the mirror. I have to take the whole assembly. So all I have to do is find a Freightliner like that one and take the whole mirror off. And then I guess since I got the whole assembly, you know, I could take my time and figure out how to do this on my own. So let's see if we can find a mirror. Let's look at all these trucks, man. Look at this. It's like a whole bunch of wrecked up trucks. All right, this looked like a good potential one, but it looked like this is kind of skinnier in the back. But I'm gonna look at some other ones. I'm gonna keep this one in mind though. But it seems like that's a big deal, you know, to take the mirrors and the doors off these things be the first thing they do. Like they took the door off of that one, right? The doors off this one. Mirror going off that one. Mirror going off that one. So, like, that's a common thing to take the doors and the mirrors off of the trucks. Look over there, mirror's gone, mirror's gone. So I got the mirror. So she gave me a new mirror to put inside. So the mirror's actually new. So I have to take the motor out and replace it up here. Right? So as you can see, all we have to do is on the back side here, see it has a little clip right there. That black clip. What I have to do is slide that up and the whole mirror comes off. Alright? The whole mirror comes out. And I have to just unscrew those bolts right there, take this assembly out, install it up here, and then connect the mirror back onto there. So let's get that done. Harness in the cut. Alright, that's pretty much it. So now, as you can see, if you look at this, this is where you can see where it's broke off at on the actual mirror on the truck. So we got to replace that whole broken assembly with this and then attach it to the mirror. See, this part is all cracked. All right, guys, so really I just need to finish adding the rest of the bolts and then we'll attach the mirror and we'll be done. You see, you have the connections there. All you do is connect them there and slide the little plastic part and you're done. All right, all done. Get back working. Guys, so that is pretty much it. As you can see, we got the truck washed, we got the service done, you know, we got the DOT inspection done, so we got everything taken care of so the truck can get back to work, you know, hopefully by tomorrow. We got the mirror replaced also as well. And so now I'm finally about to get back to work for myself. This truck is here so it can go ahead and get back to work. And that's everything that needed to be done to it. I had the truck for about a year now, so everything seems to be still in pretty good condition. So that's pretty good. But at the end of the day, man, you know, I'm just out here trying to keep things going, trying to keep things happening. So like, share, subscribe. Until next time, see you in the next video.